We're just about to go get in the sea.
Yeah, being Phil minus Phil.
He doesn't look ready though. That's the only thing that I'm... Where's all your gear to go?
Yeah, it's not happening, mate. It's not happening.
I don't get it. Right, well I'm gonna go run. Shall I meet you in there?
I'll call the emergency services.
Shall I meet you in there, Phil? Right, so I'll see you in there, buddy. Alternator's just been delivered, so we're straight into it. Now it's raining, cold, but I have to do it, man. I set myself a goal 4 times this week to get in this sea. Done 3 and it's Sunday, so straight into it. Phil loves it, man. I like Phil. The thing is, it's not the wind or the rain or the press ups or the running that worries me. It's drying the dog. Waiting a week for this alternator. It's finally arrived, but it's slightly different to the one that I've got installed, so we're going to have to use parts of the old one. But the thing is with it, it's all about the mind, because no matter how cold it is, you can get in. So we've removed the wheel off of the old one and stuck it onto the new alternator. The one supplied had a shorter wheel which didn't line up with where the belt needs to be. There's still some slack in this belt, but we know what we need to get to sort it out. We found a guy in the Polygoner who can custom make the part we need for about €40. A van on my face again. After 4 days of just pure rain, all the parking place where I am is all completely mud. At the minute, just so much mud that no one can, well, especially some of the bigger vans, they can't really move around, so hopefully there's going to be some sun, we dry it out. So the replacement studs arrived, ready to be changed over. 2 of them got damaged when we took the wheel off a few days before. I had a man like Phil guide me through the process of how to change them over. A big thanks to him for all the help over the last few weeks getting the van sorted. It's been an absolutely beautiful day today. I've been playing a lot on the guitar the last few days. I'm really starting to feel I'm back with my rhythm again, with the music. I'm getting the feeling to go to the streets, to play music again out in the streets, slowly. But yeah, when the sun's like this, it's just, you know, even just to be out in the sun is already absolutely amazing. Beautiful group of people, guy from Turkey, a few people from Sweden, Germany, Alemania, Netherlands, all over. Some new connections, which is amazing, and yeah, man, onwards and upwards.
See, I'm part of the team now because I handed you that.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm holding the camera.
Teamwork makes the dream work, bro. You know what I mean? Guardapolvos and the seat boots of the suspension joints. 2 important things I've got to sort out just to get through the MOT. There's other stuff that I need to do, but back with Mark. He's on the phone at the moment. He's a busy man, got a business to run, so he's always flying here, there and everywhere around Marbella. Doing property rentals, I do believe, so if you're interested in getting involved in any kind of property, or you know, you're looking for a place at the moment rental wise, he's your man. Nueva Andalucía. Change of scenery, really. Just needed to get out of there. It's a bit of a mud bath, to be honest. This ain't that much better here. It's still a bit muddy, but
when the night is gone and it's done, memories sit only right, you see.
Ezt a Carlosszal beszél meg, de mondom, én már megbeszéltem a Carlosszal, sőt, az RP is bent volt, amikor mondtam, hogy az RP eset...
When no one will go understand, I mean, oh,
tennis with me and Mark this evening. Quite buzzing actually. I haven't played tennis for a while, so yeah, man.
If the sky that you look upon should tumble and fall, and that mountain crumble to the sea. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Won't you stand by me?
I'm making a big effort to get back on the yoga. It can at times be hard to find places to practice which are flat and quiet. In Ashtanga, the primary series always consists of a headstand to finish, before joining Maya in Shavasana.
So guys, I'm here in Marbella. I've finally faced it. I'm gonna go play. There's a couple of songs I want to write though down. A couple of songs that I haven't played for ages, but haven't got the chords and the words. So I've just been screenshotting off of the internet. So now I can sit, relax, write down a few songs that I want to add to my list.
Keeps that planet spinning, close from the beginning. Oh.
Funny how I'm coming to, of all places, Marbella to play. Right near to Port Banús. Been coming here since I was young, and yeah, buzzing, man.
We come too far.
Here in Marbella, I've just met this beautiful German couple, and they're working on these things. Beautiful artwork, amazing volcano. Successful day all round. I managed to get on the internet and do a bit of studying. Got a load of new songs to learn, but also I played again. Back to the music, man. Back to the streets, busking.
That's a wrap for this week, guys. Sending you a lot of love and light from the south of Spain. If you like this video, don't forget to leave your comments below. Always appreciate feedback.